Red flags. Ja, ja. Hallo, guten Morgen.
Guten Tagen. Non,
Tag.
guten Morgen.
Comment allez-vous?
Très bien, et vous?
Okay, I'm here with my friend.
So
He pays
legal
me to,
immigrant, legal immigrant,
He paid-
legal immigrant.
he pays me to say he's my friend. You probably know him. He probably pays you too, right? Nothing's for free, especially with him. Now, we're here at Lion Beach. We're enjoying this morning. We're taking a nice little ride up to Nighton Beach and possibly a little further. It just depends on how his ass holds up. He doesn't have much ass to hold up, but you never know.
How are you doing today?
Pretty good.
Really? You look pretty handsome. Must be the sun. Yeah, okay. Good, just checking. Where are you?
Somewhere in Thailand.
Okay. Same as last
No.
time.
Same as last time.
Yes.
Direction Kogloi
Okay, good. Excellent.
with an American.
Oh my God. Why would you want to be with one of those? This is a lovely area on the outskirts of Phuket. You can stop by here. These are all pretty much man-made, formerly tin mines. Excellent. Nice boating. It's a beautiful place. Why would you even think that something like this would actually exist? Hmm? We'll go in here and take a look at a wooden and very old teak watch. Well, we're taking a ride out here in beautiful, amazing outside of Phuket. A nice 20-minute ride, and here you are. So we're just filming a little bit, showing people the different parts of Thailand. I hope you'll come and join us. You can also get in touch with me if you're looking for a little bit of property. And if you're not looking for property, get in touch with me anyway. Why not? It's a beautiful day to be alive. Come and join us. It's a great place to be.
Thank you.
Was ist los?
Comment allez-vous?
Oh, you're a Frenchman.
Ja, ja.
I was thinking you are German.
And you? Illegal American alien.
I'm Thailand.
No? You look like illegal American
No,
from Hawaii.
stop. You are illegally crossing. This is a border check.
Who is it?
That's your passport and ID.
This not America.
Oh,
This Asia.
that's why we have border check. We don't want Swiss people or Australian.
But Americano, good.
No,
No,
worse.
worse.
Yes.
Especially those from Hawaii.
Oh, the worst.
Yeah,
They think they are like Thai people.
Yeah,
they are not Thai people.
yeah, make big money real estate.
No,
Yeah, big money.
no, that's illegal.
But do anyway.
Okay, Looks like you're having a nice walk here in beautiful Kokloi.
Yeah.
Yes? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
True it is.
Yes. How long you have left in Thailand?
About 2 weeks.
Wow. That's beautiful.
Yeah. I'm really happy.
Oh, good. Will you come back next year?
Probably.
Probably. Okay. Otherwise, you go to Morocco.
No, never again. No.
The French Moroccans, they love you. They love to hear you bang on their door at 12 o'clock midnight when they are having a party and you are trying to sleep.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, Brian.
See you
You're
later.
a funny guy, as always.
Hasta la vista.
You make film.
Oh my God. Oh, it's like a big bug. How was your ride today?
A nice experience.
You enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
man.
getting very hot now.
Where are you at?
Phang Na
Wow. Good time.
with Brian.
Ah.
Americano.